Alright guys, mount your camera on the tripod using portrait. Now record an empty background for up to 5 seconds or so. You get my point? So you can now walk in and then do as if you want to pull off your head. Like what I did here is I had to take my hand I touched my hair. I tried to drag it, understand, then I lifted my hands above my head, then tried to bring it down a little, like what you are seeing on your screen. So when you are done with that, you can decide to leave your own anywhere. Then you bring your hand back as if you want to drop your head back to your neck, just like what you're seeing on your screen. So when you are done, you can shake your head to be sure nothing is wrong with your neck and your head. So now save the video to your gallery and then head over to Capcut. You get my point? Now on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. Now you see we recorded an empty background first. So what we need to do from here, you tap on this layer so we can separate the empty background with the main video. So you click on split, tap on split. So now go and look for overlay. See overlay here. Now click on overlay. So what you do from here is drag the video to the beginning. Now tap on the empty background, go and look for freeze. See freeze, click on freeze. So at the end of this layer you just freeze, tap on it, drag it to the end of the video, just like what you're seeing on your screen. So now what you have to do from here is for you to come back, just come back. You get my point? You need to come back home. So this is how I want this video to start. I want my own to start when I'm about to lift my hand. So at this point, so what I will do here is I will tap on this layer from here, tap on the layer, then I will tap on split, then I will delete the beginning of the video. Now I will drag this other one to the beginning of the video. So this is how the video is going to start. You get my point? So this is for complete beginners. So guys, at this point, please like this video so YouTube can distribute it to many other people. So you can also share this video on your social media platforms. You get my point? And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, comment, turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop another amazing tutorial like this. You get my point? So guys, at this point when my hand is up above my head, you tap on split there. So you come to this other section when you are dropping your head back. You tap on split also. You get my point? So what you have to do next is look at this other middle section here, this other middle layer here. You tap on it. So now go and look for mask. Alright, see mask, click on mask. Now click on circle, tap on circle. So now bring it to where your head is, resize it to so you can have your head inside the circle, understand? So something like this. So when you are done with that, you tap on OK. Now you save the video to your gallery. You get my point? So now click done, click on new project, import the original video, I mean the one you've not edited. Now bring it here. Now tap on the layer because we need an empty space like the way we did on the other one. So now go and look for overlay. After clicking on the layer and clicking on split, now overlay the video, bring it to the beginning of the video, tap on the empty background. Now go and look for freeze, just like the way you did on the first video. So now tap on it and then drag it to the end of the video. You get my point? I believe you should understand what I'm talking about. So somewhere here, bring it to the end of the video. So now what you do from here is you have to come back here where I want the video to start like the way we did. So from here I'm going to tap on the second layer. I'll tap on the second layer where I want it to start, then I will click on the split and then delete the beginning of the video. You get my point? And then I will drag this one to the beginning of the video, something like this. So I believe you understand, you get my point. Please, if you get confused in any way, you can watch this video again so you'll be able to do it step by step. You get my point. So now at this point, when my hand will be leaving my head, from here I will tap on the layer. I'll tap on the second layer. Now tap on split. So I will also go to the section where I'll be fixing back my head to my neck. So this point where I will be dropping my head back to my neck is where I will tap on split. Also I will just click on split. Also, you get my point. So guys, what will happen next from here? Tap on the middle layer, this other layer here, right here. Just tap on this middle layer here. So you will have to go back to mask. Let's go back to mask. Am I too fast? See mask here, click on mask. So go back to that same circle. So this time around you will have to click invert. You have to tap on invert. When you tap on invert, this is how it's going to appear. Then you hover the circle to where your head is. Understand? Now adjust the circle to cover your head, only your head. Understand? Just make it small so that it will cover your head. It will only reveal your body, something like this. So you can also play with this fader icon here a little, just adjust a little. You get my point. So this is how it's going to be. You get my point. So you can tap on OK from here. So look at it here. If you get to the end of that one, the head will automatically fix on your neck. So you can adjust the ending part of the video from here. You can tap on the second layer of which the character is. You tap on split, then delete the ending part of it. Then you can also delete the first layer, also tap on it and then delete the ending part of it, as this is how it's supposed to be. You get my point. So now what we will have to do is you will have to go back to the beginning of the video. So guys, at this point where your hand is about to pull off your head, you get my point. This particular section you split it here, that is where you will have to tap on add overlay. You get my point. So what you do from here is you import the video you just saved. That one you only saved the head. So you import the video. Look at it here. You bring it to Capcut. So from this other section where the body disappears, understand, from this other part where the body disappears, that is when you have to click on the layer. You click on that layer, click on split, then delete the beginning of the video. That's, we don't need the body on this other third layer. I believe you understand what I'm doing. So you only need the head here. Understand? So the next thing you should do is to bring the video, just bring it back, not to the beginning of the video, just bring it back. So you can tap on it and then adjust it to fit to screen, like what you see me do on screen now. Now go towards the ending part of it before the head joins together with the body. Let's go there. And it's somewhere here like this. So you tap on the layer. Now tap on split. We need just the head. Understand? We don't want it joining together with the body first. I don't know if you understand me. So you have to tap on split. Now come back to this other section here, this other layer here. Tap on the main layer where we have only the head. Now go and look for remove BG. Click on it. Click on auto remover. Please allow it to remove completely. Get my point? Alright guys, so if you're a complete beginner and you wish to learn about video editing from scratch, chat me up on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. You get my point? There I will teach you everything about video editing, how to get green screen effects for free and how to use them, how to apply them. You get my point? But please take note, it is not for free. I'm going to charge you, but it's not much. It's not much. So that's just it guys. So if you are interested, you chat me up. And please, if you're not ready to make payment, don't request for my bank details, please. You get my point? Alright guys, so from here you can tap on the third layer here, so you can adjust the head to align very well, like what you see me do on screen. Just align it very well the way you want it to be. So when you are done with the alignment, you get my point. Guys, please like this video now, share this video, and comment. See, when you like this video, YouTube will distribute it to many other people. You understand what I'm talking about? So this point where the hand wants to leave the head, like it's kind of dragging the head from the neck, this is where you will have to tap on this navigation button, add keyframe at the beginning of this particular layer where the head is. So as the hand is moving away from the head, you move the video a bit. Now you move the head to align with your finger, something like that. Then keyframe will be added automatically. So guys, if you are doing it correctly, you see that after all the adjustment, you see at this point when you are leaving, you are opening your hand to let the head fall, it will join it with this other layer here. It will join it with this other layer where the character is complete. Understand? So that is how it's going to be. You get my point? So if you do not understand, please watch this video again so that you will understand. All right guys, so if you will watch well, you will see that there is a spot here towards where my neck is, where my head is. This circle here, I don't like it and I want it to be removed. You get my point? So if you've done to this level, then kudos to you, congrats, you've tried so much. So but before we do that, you'll have to go to the end of this video. Understand? Now tap on this layer here, tap on this layer, tap on split. Now delete the ending part of it. When you are done with that, you save the video to your gallery. Understand? So when you are done with that, click on new project, import the first video, the one you did not edit. I don't know if you understand, the first video you did not edit, bring it to Capcut. Now what we need from here is the empty background. So you tap on the layer, click on split, delete the main video, go and look for freeze. Go and look for freeze. Oh yeah, see freeze here. Tap on freeze. Tap on freeze, bro. So now tap on this other side of the layer and delete. So now tap on the freeze layer. You get my point? Drag the ending part of it. Just drag it to extend it. You can extend it to duration of the video if you can guess, or extend it to 1 minute. So when you are done with that one, tap on this navigation key button. So now click on overlay, add overlay, click on add overlay. Bring the video you edited, the last video you edited, just bring it to Capcut. This video here where you remove your head. So what you will do here in this video, you get my point, you will have to go to first of all, drag it to fit to screen. Drag it to fit to screen. You get my point? Guys, like this video now, like this video, share this video, comment. Have I not tried? Comment. You get my point? Now go and look for remove BG. Click on it, tap on remove BG. When you tap on remove BG, now we will use custom remover. Look at custom remover here. Understand? So you select brush. See brush here, you select brush. You can adjust the brush size, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. Understand? But I want to make it smaller so I can align with the part I want to draw. Understand? So I make it smaller. So what you will do when you make it smaller, you start drawing, you paint yourself. You only paint yourself, just draw it on your body. Make sure this color covers your body and not the background. Understand? So make sure you paint it carefully. Take your time and do it. You can decide to reduce the brush size so that you can align it with your head and your hand and every other part of your body. So that's what you are going to do. You get my point? So guys, when you are done with this, with the painting, with the brushing, you give it some time. It takes a little time before it removes the background completely. You get my point? Now you tap on OK. When you tap on OK, this is how it's going to be. You get my point? So if you play the video now, you see there is no black spot again. There's no that circle is no more showing. You get my point? So that's just it, guys. That's all you need to know about pulling off your head effect. Understand? So guys, please like this video, make sure you share this video, comment. So like I said before, if you want to learn about video editing from scratch, even if you are a beginner or you don't know anything about video editing, chat me up on WhatsApp. Understand? I will teach you everything. I will teach you how to get green screen effects for free. Take note, if you are looking for green screen, you need to pay money to get, but I'll teach you how to get that for free. You get my point? But guys, please take note, chatting me for WhatsApp for private lessons is not free. You get my point? I charge, though it's not much. I charge a little. Understand? It's not much. So don't be scared. So please make sure before you request for my account details that you are ready to make payment. You get my point? All right, so see you in our next video.